In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set limit order on Forex.com. A limit order is a great way to control the exact price where you want to enter a trade, instead of jumping in at whatever the market is offering right now. It helps you plan ahead, wait for better pricing, and avoid unnecessary slippage. Think of it as telling the platform, "Only execute my trade if price reaches this specific level." First, open the trading platform you prefer: WebTrader, MT4, or the mobile app. The process is essentially the same across all three. Once you're in, give the platform a moment to load your prices and charts, and make sure your connection is stable so quotes update in real time. Next, choose the currency pair you want to trade. For example, EUR/USD is a common choice. You can find pairs in the market watch list or search bar. Double-check the symbol so you're working on the right market, and glance at the current price on the chart to confirm the trend and where your planned level sits relative to the live market. Open the order ticket from the Buy-Sell panel. On WebTrader and mobile, this is typically visible at the top or bottom of the chart. In MT4, you can right-click the symbol or use the New Order button. The key is to bring up the order form where you can adjust order type and pricing before sending anything to the market. Change the order type from market to limit or pending order. Some platforms call it pending order first, then let you choose buy limit or sell limit inside that menu. A buy limit is placed below the current price when you want to buy a dip. A sell limit is placed above the current price when you want to sell a bounce. Make sure you're not on market execution. Enter the exact limit price you want. Be sure the price makes sense. A buy limit must be lower than the current ask, and a sell limit must be higher than the current bid. Watch your decimals and pip placement, and remember some platforms require a minimum distance from the current price. Enter your trade size, also known as lot size. A standard lot equals 100,000 units of the base currency. Smaller positions like 0.110 or 0.01 represent mini and micro lots. Choose a size that fits your risk and available margin. Finally, click Buy or Sell to place the order. You should see a confirmation and the order listed in your open or pending orders. That's it. Your limit order will trigger automatically when price reaches your chosen level.